In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used PowerPoint, Canva, and Google Slides to create this interactive schedule for my students. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy Barr and I am a first grade teacher in Washington State. And today I'm going to show you how to make this schedule. First, I wanted to show you some of the features that I've incorporated into this schedule. I have icons here for Google Meet that I've linked directly to my Google Meet that my students will use for synchronous learning. I've linked break timers and lunch timers so that students will be able to click on them. It'll play music and then a little alarm goes off and they'll know exactly when they need to come back from break and from lunch. There you go. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to go into PowerPoint. You're going to open up a blank slide. You're going to get rid of the boxes that they already have in there and you're going to add a text box of your own. And you're going to type in the word that you want to be in there. Okay, and then I want this to be much bigger. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to choose a way bigger size. And I need bigger than that even. So you know what's going to be easier is if I click on this and see what that is, and then I click back on this, and then I know. And hit enter. There we go. All right, and the font that I use for this is a paid font, and I used KG blank space solid. Okay, so to get the reflection, you're going to double click. You're going to go up here and click on that, and then right here is the reflection. And it creates your reflection of that word. Isn't that awesome? I just think that's so pretty. So then to get the rainbow effect on this word, I had to highlight and then go up and change every one of these letters one by one. After you get all of that done, you're going to do a screenshot if you're on a Mac. If you are on a PC, I think it's called the snipping tool. So there I have it right there. And now I'm going to go to Canva. Okay, and I want to make I used the letter function for this. You could do the presentation one if you wanted it to be the other way, but this is how I liked it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to add a new page. I'm going to go to uploads from my device because I want to upload that screenshot that I just took. There it is. I'm going to open it. It's downloading. I'm going to put it in here, and as soon as it finishes, I'm going to hit effects, and then I'm going to remove the background. So now I'm going to go up here to my other one, and I'm going to go to background, and this is the one that I used. You just have to scroll through and you can find, I think it was in the gradients one. So you just scroll through and find the one you want. This is the one that I used for that. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste it onto here. And then you can move it up to where you want. After you have that copied onto your main page that you're going to use, you always want to make sure you come down and you delete the second page that you made in order to remove the background. Otherwise, it is not going to upload as a PNG. And you have to have a PNG in order to make it the background of the Google slide, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. So after I did all of that, I just added another text box. And I typed R, moved it up to where I wanted it, rotated it, moved it some more. You can pick the font that you want to use, and I used Architect's Daughter, and I made it a bit bigger. I changed the color. I used purple. And now I added the boxes that I used for time. So I went to Shapes, and you're going to want to click See All, because I chose this box, the square with the rounded edges. And then you're just going to make it the size that you want, and then copy, paste. However many boxes you need, just copy and paste that. Fit them all in there, and you use the little lines to line them up. Then I got another one of it, and I made this one smaller. And then you're going to copy and paste that one. Okay. And then you just go through and you change the color of them to whatever color you want. Here it shows you the colors. I want this first one to be the pink color. I made the background pink. I want that to be orange. And the main color here, pink. And then this is the outline color. You can change that to black. And then the same for this. This is the shadow. We want that to be orange. You want the main color to be pink, and the outline to be black. So you just keep repeating that until you get all of the colors in there that you want. Okay, after you finish making all of the colors and making it all pretty like you want, you're going to go up here to this download button, and it's going to want to download it as a PDF, but you can't use that as a background. So you're going to go up here and change that to PNG and then download. Okay, once it finishes downloading, you're going to go to your Google Drive, and you're going to open up a new Google slide. You're going to change the dimensions of your Google slide to custom 8.5 by 11. Add your background. You're going to choose an image. And if you've downloaded it on Chrome, it's going to be down here in the download box, and you can just drag and drop it into there. Done. Voila, there's your background. I added a shape up here. Transparent fill. And I took it to to a 4-point. And in here, then I just typed first grade master for the master schedule. On the other days, I typed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we had all of the days in there. I'm going to change this font to Bangers. And then I used my add-on for Magic Rainbow Unicorn Slides. Y'all know I love that. There we go. So for here, you can add the schedules, you can put your icons in here, and to find the icons for Google Meet, I just went over to search the web for an image, and I typed in transparent Google Meet icon. And then I just picked out one, dragged and dropped, sized it to the size that I want. To add the timers, I just again went to add a picture, search the web, and I typed in transparent alarm clock. And then I just picked out the one that I wanted, which was this one, and sized it to the size that I wanted. And then I went to YouTube and I searched for, our break is 1 hour. So I searched for 1 hour timer for kids. Make sure it says for kids or you're gonna get some crazy stuff. But I typed in 1 hour timer for kids, and that's what I came up with. So that's it. That's how you make it. I made one for every day. I made the master schedule, which is up on my website, and then I made one for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I created those in separate slideshows so that the kids can't click through every day, because our schedule changes. Monday we have one schedule, and Tuesday we have a different schedule, Wednesday the same schedule as Monday, Thursday the same schedule as Tuesday, and Friday is a totally different schedule. So I made a schedule for each day on separate slideshows. But on my TPT store, I have these for sale on there, so you can download it. The background is already made for you. I have tables in here so that you can separate. If there's 2 days, you can delete those. You can put your own Bitmojis in there. So I'm going to put that link in the description. So if you need to go to my TP store and buy them, because it is several steps in order to create this, you can do that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.